You want dream home but don't know where to start, right? I have been working for last 15 years to get perfect 9 steps by Beyond Decor. Step 1. Get your briefing. Visit our office for free consultation. Share a briefing of the project, personal needs, and lifestyle. Step 2. Perfect layout. According to your needs, we will craft individual layout which will perfectly fit you. Step 3. Modern tone and concept design. We help you to find what truly reflects you and concept which possible to build in real life. Step 4. Rendering and 360 degree. See your future home in virtual reality. Check and feel every detail we designed before we build it for you. Step 5. Material selection and draft drawings. Finalize material selection to match the design and go through draft drawing details for most accurate budget estimates. Step 6. Quotation with full breakdown of details. You will see clearly each item breakdown in the quotation, so you can have a fair understanding of what you are paying for. Step 7. Final drawings and project schedule. Conclude all details and changes in final drawings to make it clear for everyone, and then plan realistic project timeline. Step 8. Project kickoff. Since day 1, throughout the whole project, you can have peace in mind and focus on your daily things by looking at the weekly plans and report from the dedicated management team who pays attention to every detail. Step 9. Final handover of your dream home. Delivering a perfectly finished home, ready for you to move in immediately. Because we know the process best, trust our 15 years of experience. Let Beyond Decor take care of you.